Hello everyone, I'm Manish Yadav, working at GTR PSBM Purani Bazar Narkatiyaganj. Dear students, in this video, I will discuss about the summary of the first chapter in Footprints Without Feet, named as A Triumph of Surgery. This beautiful, humorous, and inspirable story has been written by one of the famous writers, Mr. James Herriot. The central character is Tricky, a dog, and he was too much cared, and the result is he was hugely fat, and he looks like a bloated sausage. The story starts with the scene in which Tricky, who was walking along with his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, she was a rich lady and she loved and cared too much to her dog, Tricky. When the narrator, Mr. James Herriot, saw him, he was surprised to see his appearance, as he was hugely fat, looks like a bloated sausage. He thought that he was going to feel seriously ill. So, as he had already told warned Mrs. Pumphrey that she must cut some of the dirt, especially the sweet dirt, from the dog. But she said that he loved it very much, and the expected call within a week came to him. Mrs. Pumphrey, she was fearful, anxious. She called him that Tricky was seriously ill. So Mr. James Herriot went to her house, and there he saw, as he knew already, he knew everything. So he, without being delay, he told her that he should be admitted to hospital. So without waiting for her answer, he lifted the dog in his lap and walked towards his car. He put the dog beside him, and all the staffs of Mrs. Pumphrey running here and there with his different types of dresses, cushions, bowls, so many things, coats. So he started the car, and when he was taking a turning, he looked in the mirror that Mrs. Pumphrey was weeping along with her staffs. So he had told him that he had to be admitted for a fortnight. So in the beginning, he did not give him anything to eat. He put him in the common cell, in the general cell with other dogs for 2 days. Tricky did not show any improvement, and he did not took interest. But after 2 days, he began to take some interest in his environment. Now he began to play with other dogs, and after few days, Mrs. Pumphrey began to send different types of food articles for Tricky's health. She also sent she also sent some wine. After few days, she began to send brandy. Now all the hospital staffs were making fun, enjoying the lives. Started with the days with the wine and ends with brandy at night before fire. So after a fortnight, and in the middle of this fortnight, so many calls even even thrice a day, Mrs. Pumphrey called him to know the update. So after fortnight, she called him again and asked about the improvement. Can she take him to her house? So Dr. Harriet could not disapprove, as he had already told for one fortnight, but he did not want to send him back, as because of the greed of food and especially brandy. So within a few minutes, Mrs. Pumphrey reached there in her car, and Dr. Harriet took the dog in his lap and walked towards the car. When when the dog saw his mistress, he jumped out from the lap of Dr. Harriet and went into the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey and began to lick and pat his mistress. So when the car was going away from the hospital, Mrs. Pumphrey put out her head through the window and told Dr. Harriet that, "Oh, Dr. Harriet, how can I thank you? It was a surgery it was a trip of surgery without any operation." So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to press the bell icon, and thank you for watching this video.